Imo State oil taken to Port Harcourt. No be small thing o my people. They say that there are a pipe almost 5 oil well in Rivers State. They say they are now using pipe from Imo State oil, taking it to Port Harcourt. I think they say they are the one who have the biggest oil. Why the one in Imo State is going to Port Harcourt? What is the oil going there to do? This is the question that we're asking. They say that the Yorubas don't cry, come outside though, because of the rice. The spoil rice wey Tinubu government share give them for this for Xmas wey newly pass. So now the people don't come outside, they come they talk. So people don't cry, you say now so they go carry spoil rice. Go they give them. For those of you now when they hear Yoruba, now go watch them for this video. As that one they happen, they say that the Nigeria police don't go for a place where they call Arochukwu. They want go arrest one Eze for inside that place. Without say they not even tell this Eze, say see you, we they invite you, may you come. Because of this or that, they just go there and go carry Eze like say Eze na one kind small pikin, no one they want just come out like that. This thing no fit happen for Yoruba or for North, it no fit happen. This kind of people, I invite, they invite them come. They go come, and if not detain, they detain them. Then they go sort the thing out for inside that place, because in suppose they work with the police as well. But I don't know why they go, the one go arrest this Eze this way. However, my people, let's go and find out how this thing take they happen. Remember that Eze wey be talk for during the election time, say if Lagos State they destroy Igbo things, Igbo property market, he saying go invite people become. They say that Eze still there for inside the police, so they still hold am for inside that place. But what of those who threat Igbo, say this one, that one, they free now, they waka. The injustice wey dey happen for this country, everybody they see with their crow eyes. However, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balaba Gist. If today is the first time we they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. See they here they bring you updates back to back. I see they hot. Make sure say you share this video and also follow this page for more updates. And if not today that the first time they come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Yeah, my people, let's take a one after the other. They say that the Imo State oil, as we dey talk right now, 5 oil well waiting for inside Rivers State. The oil way from Imo, they go Rivers State. They don't already they put the pipe, they go. But tomorrow, the government go come outside and tell us say they have this small quantity of oil. But the oil, since I was born, the oil in Uguta, Ebema, they drill oil for there till today. Oil never finished. So if oil is in Port Harcourt, why putting pipe from Imo State to Port Harcourt? So why don't them use the one in Port Harcourt? And this is the question that I want them to explain things for us. Our people need to wake up. Our resources is the reason why they are holding us down and keeping us together, and nothing is working for everybody. My people, we will play the video, may you watch, and before we come back and continue.
Company, no Lambala Agua, Uguta, Imo State. I have more than 150 oil well, and they will drill every day and night. Now, pipe on a Jamok, Rivers State, cable pipe, the community and him, like see big pipe like this, handle the Jamok. My community and him, and the chance I war Niger that Ranke, or you need Imo State Jamok. The whole world to see, you don't know. And a week and about one do the child question about that. What do we mean?
Wonderful people, Sebi, you don't hear them for your own ear. The community don't even cry, come outside. Say, see, as they tell the carry pipe, they pass for inside their land. Just like that, they go. Things they really happen. Yeah, my people, let's quickly go and look waiting the Yorubas, they talk concerning the rice where they don't give them for the Xmas. So where just pass, say may they eat. The woman don't cry, come outside, say never see this kind of rice for in life before. May we watch them together before we come back. Gonna continue. But the question why they ask, my people, you get your own rice for your own state. I be on a chairman, I be una senator don't chop the money. But however, let's watch the video before we come back and proceed.
Èyí lá ó yà mẹ́rin torí mẹ́ẹ̀rúbẹ tí gbé orú ráìsì yìí wá ọ̀nẹ́ ọ̀nà fún fẹ́ díje fún gọ́vnà lóṣù orú ráìsì yẹn gbé wọ́n ọ̀nẹ́ rèé ebe pa wá àwa jẹun náà yára wa lọ́nù kàmá wá gbé poison wa jẹ torí poison rèé ni bú o jẹ yìí ìbùkún ló èlé ọ̀pẹ́rẹ́tì ẹ̀ nínú mẹ́rin èlé ọ̀pẹ́rẹ́tì ẹ̀ o.
People no be small thing, no. This not the rice what they talk about. You see this rice now, see as people they share their own rice. I beg, let us know if you get your own rice for your own state. Let us know for inside comment section. My people, oh, as this one they happen, no be small thing. Now so the police enter where they call Arochukwu, say they want go arrest their eze with no even arrest warrant self. They no even get. Let's also watch the video. May they see what they happen for Igbo land.
So reporting live at Toro village right now. The police, they said that they came from the state CID. They came to arrest His Majesty the SRO of Arochukwu Kingdom. This is Aro Kibo blog reporting live. They already crowded in the palace. They say that they came from the state CID. They want to arrest His Majesty the SRO of Arochukwu Kingdom, Mazi Godwin Kanu. From situation report, people are still insisting that such thing cannot happen. You can't just barge into a palace and arrest His Royal Majesty without any pre-information and without any cause. He has committed no offense, and we want to know the cause of his arrest before he leaves the palace. Okay.
Yeah, my wonderful people, as you don't see Amo now for inside the Eze Palace, we be this, we be say the one call arrest the Eze. The question now, how did Igbo get to this level? We be say even the police, nobody again, they regard the traditional rulers, the kings, the Igwes, the Eze for inside our land. But for Yoruba land, for Hausa land, when they respect Emi, when they respect Oba, when they respect this thing. But when it come to us, where people going to do as if, even though in Western world, if you want to arrest any traditional this thing or anybody that working for government, anything, they have to be an invitation letter sent to that person to come. But the only thing is that the eyes will be on that person so that he will not run out of the country. Then if the person fail to report within the days people give, then you cannot be taking actions like this. Because if you people have done so, the palace and other workers or the people that are preventing them to taking this as will not do so. I believe so. So my people, I beg me share this video and let us know what you think for all the whole matter or we don't bring come for your front today.